In this video, I will be showing you how to sign up for Gamma AI. Let's get started. First, I open my browser and type Gamma AI into the search bar. I scroll through the results to find the official website and click on the main link for Gamma app. Once I'm on the home page, I click the Start for Free button in the top right corner. On the sign-up page, I decide to use the Continue with Google option to make the process faster. A pop-up window appears and I select my Google account to link it to the platform. I review the access permissions and then click Continue to move forward. After a brief loading screen, I begin the onboarding process to set up my profile. I choose the option for personal use and then select Creator as the role that best describes me. When asked about my organization size, I select Just Me. Next, I need to tell Gamma what I plan to do, so I'll check the box for creating presentations from scratch and click Continue. I'll also let them know I heard about the platform through YouTube. Now that I'm in the main dashboard, I click the Home icon in the upper left corner to view my workspace and see the different creation tools available. Finally, I click on the workspace settings near my profile name to confirm my account is ready to go. If you found this walkthrough helpful, please consider liking the video and subscribing for more quick tips and tutorials.